Hello you guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see by the title, we are doing another drugstore review. Like at this point I should change my name to OMG Lashes to OMG Drugstore, because seriously I feel like we do so many drugstore reviews here, and hello, I am not complaining. But the drugstore is just killing it. Like they stay killing it with products, launches, and just everything. With that said, I was lucky enough to receive the PR package from LA Girl. Shout out to you for always hooking me up and staying me on trend with your products. So LA Girl recently released two new eyeshadow palettes, which are these. These are the Fierce and Wild eyeshadow palettes. These are 16 colored eyeshadow palettes, and they are absolutely stunning. So we're going to be reviewing these, we're going to be swatching them, and then we're also going to obviously do a mini eye tutorial, because hello, like what is the point of reviewing an eyeshadow palette if you're not going to do a tutorial? So grab your brushes, grab your palettes, grab your coffee, because we need it today. And with that said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright, I'm going to get my arm ready for the swatches, and then we will go over each individual swatch, and I will let you guys know which one swatched good and which one didn't swatch so good. But first, I'm very impressed by both of these palettes. They swatched beautifully on the arm, so I am extra excited to test them out on the eyes. And one thing that I just wanted to mention is that even though some of the mattes here didn't swatch as good, but when you feel them, they feel like butter, super creamy. I know the pigment's going to be there, so I'm really not worried about anything. But with that said, let's jump into this tutorial. Alright you guys, so let's get started with this eyeshadow palette, let's get started with this eye tutorial. I am going to take this palette right here, because this is just the one that really is like calling me in. And it's because I'm wearing like a beige turtleneck, which PS, this is the turtleneck that I picked up from Walmart, from my Walmart fall fashion haul. If you guys haven't seen that, I'm gonna link it up here so y'all can watch it and let me know what is your favorite outfit. And thank you guys so much for like the positive response that I received from that video. I was a little bit nervous because I know that not everybody has the same style, but y'all really came through. So with that said, I'm going to take the shade Impulse, which is a dark chocolate brown, and I am going to throw that into the crease. We are going to pack on this color before we do anything else, so make sure you take a good packing on brush. I've been really enjoying these, the Model Pro that we received from our BoxyCharm. These brushes are actually really good, and I've just been reaching for them so much. And I'm going to lay this down. I had a realization just the other day. I have come to realize that the reason why I think I do so many cut creases, first of all, is just, I don't know, I feel like it's so easy for me to do them, and I really genuinely love cut creases, like the half cut crease or a cut crease, whatever you want to call them. And the reason why I think is because I am not good at doing halo eyes. I did my makeup the other day with a like a hot pink look, and I did a halo eye. And every time I do my eye makeup like that, with that style of look or that style of makeup, whatever you want to call it, I just feel like it doesn't look good. It could be because of my eye shape. I have large eyes, but I have a lot of like excess skin on my lids. And I think that's from like my mom. My mom has really stretchy skin, which hallelujah, I am not like even complaining about having stretchy skin, because when I actually got pregnant with my little girl, I didn't get any stretch marks. To this day, I have absolutely no stretch marks in my body. Now, if I have a second baby, I don't know how that's going to work. P.S. I am going to dig into the shade Spark, which is a lighter version of that brown. But I think it's because we have so much flexibility in our skin that my eyelids, I feel like, are a little bit saggy. And halo eyes is so hard on my eyes. I feel like I can never get the shape right. Sometimes it looks a little bit off. So even though I love halo eyes, I love them on other people, I just don't think they're for me. I don't know, I could be totally crazy. Let me know what your favorite like tutorial is. Do you like halo eyes? Do you just like an all smoky eye? Or do we enjoy like these cut creases that I do all the time? I'm going to return to the palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Buff, which is this really pretty vanilla shade. It's a matte shade, and I'm just going to take a flat brush. This is from Michaels, and I'm just going to lay it down underneath the brow bone. I kind of like to pick up my brow so it makes it a little bit easier to blend. One more time, I'm going to go back with that brush, and I'm just going to diffuse the shade at the top to make sure that that vanilla shade doesn't get lost or it doesn't just sit there awkwardly underneath the brow. Make sure you blend it. Just like that. That's actually more of a cool tone color, but I'm loving. Okay, so I want to add just a little bit more depth, so I'm gonna dig into the next palette, which is, oh my god, I keep forgetting, Untamed. And we're gonna take the darkest brown in the palette, which is the shade Boho, and I'm just going to apply that into just like right here. I'm not gonna bring this up too high because I don't want to create too much darkness. Just keeping it down here. I don't even know. I really like the way these shadows blend. They are so creamy, so buttery. They're not patchy, they're not streaky. They don't get all weird when you mix the colors together. So, LA girl, you did it again. So now we can move on to cutting the crease. You guys have seen me do this a million times, but some of you enjoy to see it. So I'm just going to take my concealer. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is my absolute favorite brush, the Alamar Cosmetics. I don't even know, like literally it's like gone because I use it so much, but we've gotten these in BoxyCharms. This brush is perfect for cutting the crease because it's so small and flat that it just really allows you to get in there. I'm going to go back with this brush since it's already dirty. I'm not going to dirty a whole bunch of brushes. And I'm going to take this shade at the bottom of the pan, which is Escape. I think this one's going to go really well because it is a cool tone brown. I really like this color, but I want to bring a little bit more light, a little bit more sparkle to the eyes. So I'm going to take the Heavy Metal eyeliner, or this liquid shadow, or whatever it's called, by Urban Decay in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And I'm just going to trace a line. Again, just had a little oomph. I'm just going to go back to the palette and repeat the same steps on the outer corners just to really intensify and smoke everything out. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and finish off this eye, pop on some lashes, and I think that'll be the end of this look. One last thing, I think I'm going to dig into this yellow just because I feel like the eyes are so, even though I love the eyes, but I want to make them pop even more. And you guys know, like, I just can't go without adding some color into my life. So I'm going to take a little bit of my concealer and lay it down on the inner corners of the eyes. Let's go into the shade Desert, which is that gorgeous yellow mustard. And we're just going to pop that into the inner corners. I am done. My face is beat. I added some cute earrings. These earrings are like so adorable. Threw my hair up in a little chongo and I am ready to go. So for my lashes, just again, a quick recap on what I'm wearing on my face. Right now I am wearing the Serene Lashes by the brand Ambi Lashes. Oh my god, I have been obsessed with this brand. It is a monthly subscription box of lashes. You can choose from 1, 2, or 3 pairs a month, and you get them to your house every month, like lashes. And they have so many selections, such cute styles. If you guys are interested, I will have a link down below where you can sign up. I do earn commission from that, so if you do use my link, thank you. For my lips, I use the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Limitless Brown. I also use this one in my waterline. It is a lip liner and a pencil, so you can use it as both. And then for my lips, I have been obsessed with this formula. This is the Huda Beauty Staycation Matte Lipstick, which is this one right here. The packaging is adorable. And hello, nude. And then for my lip gloss, I am using the CoverGirl Exhibition Lip Gloss. This is in the shade... What shade is this? Oh my god, this doesn't have a name to it, but it looks like this is just like a taupey nude cool tone color. So obviously you guys know my thoughts. Like, you guys already know before I even say anything, I highly approve of these palettes. I mean, like, this look just turned out to be super cute. So if you guys want to see more looks with these palettes, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, and I will be sure to do them for you guys. That is it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know if you guys are going to be picking up these palettes. Are you going to skip on them, or are you purchasing? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy drugstore reviews. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!